mixed up from Helene. I didn't even recognize where I was at. This is a kind of a marker tree for me. There used to be a giant log right there, and I've crossed here dozens of times, but I don't even recognize the landscape anymore. I see something. There it is. What a beautiful specimen of a mushroom. And I'm not good enough to know what kind it is. I think I kind of recognize it. Jeez, man, it's gorgeous too. It's right at the peak of whatever you want to do. A little bit of buggies and mites and stuff like that all up in there. Look at that flesh on that. It's just gorgeous. Now, why didn't I just leave it alone? Well, you know, as I understand it, I'm not an expert, but this didn't hurt the crop that's in the ground. Not at all. This is just the fruit from whatever's already in there. So they say. I don't know, it's a beautiful, I'm not going to call it a plant, obviously it's a fungi. And I would love to know enough about those to just find something beautiful like that and make a meal out of it. But that could be a really, really bad decision and the last one you ever make. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah, I don't want that. That's nasty. But, you know, just trying to survive. Part of this wild world experience is understanding how we all relate to each other and that our needs are really no different from that spider's needs. They want to live, they want to reproduce, they want to eat every now and then, so we all got kind of the same goal in life. Let's see what this is. Oh yeah. They come out of pine beetle holes. This tree is just doomed. It just doesn't know it yet. There's some more right there. Ah, there it is. Yeah. Put it down in my pouch. Get that point off before I make a hole in it. There we go. There's something. Somebody I can use that. But I can. Got a little cove here down at the lake. I think this will do. It's chilly out today. It's about 48 degrees outside, and it's not going to get much warmer, even if the sun does make it out. Now, I understand that some Eskimo children sit around on their bums in the weather like this and butt naked. Well, I'm not an Eskimo child, and I'm not butt naked, so you're going to miss out on all that. Ah. That's a rock. Oh, there's a rock. And it looks like South Carolina. That's cool. Ah, there it is. It just needs time. Whee! You know, while that fire is burning down, I'm gonna fix up a little treat here. After all, it was Thanksgiving, right? Well, if you had a Thanksgiving meal, which I hope you did, and you had some leftovers, I'm always looking for some suggestion on, you know, how to cook them after the fact. And I have this little crock pot, or what do you want to call it, Dutch oven, but it's pretty little, you know. All right. Yeah, here they go. Set that right down in there. I think it's time to get the small Dutch oven out and see what kind of food we got and see if it's all burnt to, you know what, smithereenies, and maybe get some hot water in that hole over there. Let's go do it. Let's see if this is an ill-conceived plan. Ah, there we go. Right over there. And get this burning some more. So I've got what I would like to consider my Thanksgiving pot pie, maybe a bushcraft style. Let's get some, we got some cranberry sauce here on the side, and some ham, and turkey, and dressing, and macaroni, all in there together. Let's see. Well, if you like this kind of thing, it's real good. And you know, if you were here, I'd give him a spoon. Of course, you wouldn't want my spoon. You bring your own, okay? We'll have Thanksgiving meal all over again. This is my first meal of the day. I'm gonna tell you what, it's pretty dang good. I'm gonna sit here and enjoy this. Chuck, there's a bite for you, babe. And yes, I fell out of my chair. I did. I cut a flip a while ago. And we didn't get that on camera either. One of these days, I'm just gonna bring the lazy boy. Who knows? Hey, the coffee pot is a steaming and a boiling. Let's go get some. A little bit of water left if you want one. As you know, I love wildlife. You know, Mike's Wild World, sometimes the wildlife is me falling out of chairs and other things like that. So you never know what you're going to see when you get out here in the woods with me. So I appreciate you being here. Give me some nice warm coffee. It's a good cup. So it's a wild world. So get out there. This is Mike. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah. Remember, leave no trace.
Like and subscribe if you can, and leave a comment. It's a wild world, so get out there, and thanks for watching.